The seeds of patience. Highlighting the importance of patience in embracing the natural rhythms of life and nurturing personal growth. Samuel and his granddaughter Lily were walking through the park one day when they came to a garden. The garden was filled with beautiful flowers, but some of the plants were still withering. Lily noticed this and asked her grandfather why some plants took longer to bloom. "It's all about patience," Samuel said. "Just like seeds need time to grow and flourish, patience allows us to trust the process and have faith in our own development. If we are not patient, we might give up on our dreams too soon." Lily thought about this for a moment. "So, what should I do if I am feeling impatient?" she asked. "The best thing to do is to focus on the present moment," Samuel said. "Enjoy the beauty of the flowers that are blooming and know that your time will come too. In the meantime, keep watering your seeds and nurturing your dreams. With patience and hard work, you will eventually reach your goals." Lily smiled. "Thank you, Grandpa," she said. "I'll try to be more patient." Samuel and Lily continued walking through the garden, and Lily took a moment to appreciate the beauty of the flowers that were blooming. She knew that with patience, she would eventually reach her own goals. The moral of the story is that patience is a virtue. It allows us to trust the process and have faith in our own development. When we are patient, we can navigate challenges with grace and appreciate the beauty that unfolds in our own time. Thanks a lot for watching. If you admire what you see, please consider subscribing. It's absolutely free for you, but helps us to make more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Namaste.